Welcome to our trivia quiz. Challenge yourself and see how much you know about domestic birds. Let's put it to the test with 20 diverse questions. How many will you answer? Let's start a birds-themed quiz. What is the most common primary purpose of domestic chickens? A. Decoration. B. Pest control. C. Egg production. D. Pets. Answer C. Egg production. Which domestic bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A canary. B. Parakeet. C. Pigeon. D. Chicken. Answer B. Parakeet. What is the main diet of domesticated ducks? A. Insects. B. Grains. C. Leaves. D. Fish. Answer B. Grains. Which breed of chicken is known for its black feathers, skin, and bones? A. Leghorn. B. Ayam Cemani. C. Rhode Island Red. D. Plymouth Rock. Answer B. Ayam Cemani. Which domestic bird is commonly used in racing and message delivery? A. Homing pigeon. B. Swan. C. Parrot. D. Eagle. Answer A. Homing pigeon. What characteristic is typical of the eggs of a Muscovy duck? A. Larger than chicken eggs. B. Spotted. C. Blue shells. D. Hard shells. Answer A. Larger than chicken eggs. Which domestic bird is particularly well known for its singing ability? A. Cockatiel. B. Parrot. C. Canary. D. Crow. Answer C. Canary. What term describes the practice of keeping pigeons? A. Farming. B. Rearing. C. Racing. D. Aviculture. Answer D. Aviculture. What breed of duck is known for its distinctive green head? A. Mallard. B. Muscovy. C. Pecan. D. Indian runner. Answer A. Mallard. Which domestic bird is known for its elaborate courtship dances? A. Quail. B. Peacock. C. Turkey. D. Goose. B. Peacock. How are parakeets most commonly categorized? A. By size. B. By color. C. By beak shape. D. By vocal ability. Answer B. By color. What type of nesting does the common domestic goose prefer? A. Tree nests. B. Ground nests. C. Floating nests. D. No nests. Answer B. Ground nests. Which of the following is not a primary use for domestic turkeys? A. Meat production. B. Feather production. C. Egg production. D. Aviculture. Answer D. Aviculture. Which species is considered the smallest breed of domestic chicken? A. Bantam. B. Silky. C. Serama. D. Cochin. Answer C. Serama. How many toes does a typical domestic duck have per foot? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer C. 4. What unique feature is characteristic of the Araucana chicken breed? A. They lay cube-shaped eggs. B. They have no tail feathers. C. They are completely silent. D. They have extra large claws. Answer: B. They have no tail feathers. What does the term broody mean in relation to domestic hens? A. They are ill. B. They are molting. C. They want to hatch eggs. D. They are ready to be sold. Answer: C. They want to hatch eggs. Which bird is often kept for ornamental purposes due to their beautiful plumage? A. Rock pigeon. B. Mandarin duck. C. Barn hen. D. Indian peafowl. Answer: D. Indian peafowl. What is primarily assessed in competitive poultry shows? A. Speed. B. Intelligence. C. Appearance. D. Vocal ability. Answer: C. Appearance. Why is it important for domestic parrots to have a variety of fruits and vegetables? A. To prevent overgrowth of beaks. B. To increase lifespan. C. To minimize aggression. D. To prevent nutritional deficiencies. Answer: D. To prevent nutritional deficiencies. Now is the time for your bonus question. Which breed of chicken is known for its ability to lay blue eggs? A. Silky. B. Araucana. C. Mallards. D. Ayam Cemani. Do you know the answer? Write it in the comments below. Thank you for completing the quiz. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed it. What were some of your best answers? Write them in the comments below. Share your results and experience with your friends. Your opinion is very important to us. See you in the next challenge.